I want to give a little updated track walk. This is Greg from Clearwater 124, by the way. First thing I want to point out is my friend Pat from Pat Slots from Down Under. I wanted to let you know that this is not a tree, Pat. This is a tree, not this. Okay? And Todd from Toju, these are the trees that Hobby Lobby generally has in their store prior to Christmas. And it's wire, the tree trunk. And they generally come with a stand that you can use. Like I have one somewhere here that's on a stand over there. See that one in the corner is on a stand. If it's out of sight, I leave the stand, if it's not noticeable. But someplace like this, I just drill a hole in my cable and jam the wire stem down in there. Okay. Now what I've added over there by the garage, I've 3D printed that fuel pump and there's 4 oil barrels there, 1 to the right of the fuel pump and 3 to the left. Those have been printed and added. I printed a couple of Jersey barriers here. I don't know. I'll paint them or put some advertising or something on them. They just slide in under the edge of your track like that. And I printed myself a tablet holder, which works very good. And I added a couple of swamp areas. Just like the swampy area here. If you notice, there's a couple of alligators down in there. They're hard to see, but it's their natural habitat. And that green is really bright on the camera. It's not that bright in real life. It's a little darker. There's that little swampy area there. Oh yeah, and I printed these safety cones also for my pit lane. And here's the other little swampy area. A couple of gators in there too. Yeah. It is a fun track to drive. I started doing some lap timing. So I've got to update the times on this track with all my cars. It's quite similar in timing to my previous track, although this one's a little longer. I think it's a little faster. Really fun to drive. Sometime as I go along, I'll post some of the times. Also, I have weighed all my cars. Maybe I'll do a posting with that also. All right, well, I just wanted to give you an update on my swamps and let Pat know what a tree was. And Todd from Toju, by the way, I hope you're feeling better. Well, I'm going to have to do some investigating. I see something on the track over there. Have to check that out. All right, fellas, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.